Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. If you see my other videos, you've seen I have an old Alvarez acoustic electric guitar. Just an acoustic, not acoustic electric. Acoustic electric is what I'm looking for. But while looking around, I noticed some fairly cheap ones, and I bought one. I bought this acoustic electric from Walmart for just over $100, and I thought I'd do an unboxing and look at it. Now, I am no guitar expert by any means, but I thought it would be fun. I do know what I like, and wanted to see what I would get for $100, and I thought I would share that with you. I've had it for a couple of days now, but I wanted to do an unboxing video, so here we go. I think it's called the Kino. It's K-I-N-O. I'll wait till I get the paperwork out of here to tell you what else it says. So let's see what you can get from Walmart for $100. Guitar. Well, you get a lot of packing rather. Oh, here we go. Another box in a box. Always love that. And more packaging in there. And one reason I thought it would be okay to buy this is because I want to learn more about setting up an acoustic guitar. And not that I want to screw up $100, but I'd feel better messing up a $100 guitar if I was trying to mess with the bridge and with the nut and all that. If I did mess it up, wouldn't feel as bad. So here we go. Just some more wrapping in there. Got a little looks like a Allen wrench. If you can see that, it's on there pretty secure. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Wrapping. Take that off. Set it to the side. I like the way it looks. I really do. I like the finish. I did get the thin on purpose because I want it thin. You can see I got my electrical hookup, which I'm probably not going to hook up today. I just wanted to, I'll probably show it to you guys for the video. Get all this stuff off. And there you have it. This is what you get for $100 at Walmart as far as electric guitars. I can feel already that the action is not bad. Trying to get this thing off the tag. Quicker and easier way to do that with the knife. So there we go. Oh, I was wrong. Alright, we'll worry about that later. Let's slide this off. Oh, this is not terrible. Not terrible. The next thin. I may be actually pretty happy with this purchase. $100 guitar from Walmart. I didn't think I would be that. Your frets need a little bit more attention up here. It's kind of some jagged edges, but I'm going to tune it up real quick. My little electric tuner. Slowly but surely we're getting there. Which I didn't expect it to be in tune when it shipped anyways, but not quite there yet. Whenever you tune a guitar, a lot of times you have to go back, especially when it's not in tune at all, or new strings or what have you. You tune it, then you go back and start all over because your string stretch, your tension on your neck. So yeah, drop way down. The tuning keys are pretty smooth. There you have it. Doesn't sound bad. It's getting a little off. It's a little sharp. Alright, so we're in tune. Thanks to my little handy dandy tuner there. You'll see how it plays. Now that the strings are a little tighter, it's the action's a little higher, but not bad at all. I like it a lot. Let's see. It's a lot different than playing. I usually play electric, even when I don't have it plugged in. I'm just goofing around. I got to get more used to using acoustic, just because it's good for finger strength. Really, you know, you run scales and chords on your electric so much that don't get used to it. So I don't know how well you can see that. The strings are fairly high up, but that's what I was talking about. Learning how to adjust the bridge. I could do some work to adjust that and learn more about it. One thing I didn't check was the notation. What the notation is if you're in E and you go to 12th fret, it should still also be an E. So I'll check that real quick and see what it is. Just a little sharp, but it might be a little sharp because the strings are so high up that I'm having to actually move them more to hit that. So once I fix the bridge, the strings won't have to go as far, which means won't be as much stretch on the string. So that may be solve that issue right there. Let's try the E string at the bottom. And that one's good. That one's in there. But it also feels like it's closer to the body. So that's it. That is your Kino made in China guitar. $100 from Walmart. May sound funny, but I think it's okay. Play around, goof around in the house. If my guitar teacher is watching, don't worry. I'm still gonna buy a better acoustic than this, I'm sure. But this will be something fun, something to play around with. And I figured it was $100. Why not? You know. So yeah, I guess if you're in the market, one of the key things is or should I say, if you're beginning to play guitar, just shop around. But this, again, that's a $100 guitar at Walmart, the Kino. Words I can't see because it's too dark in that hole. But anyways, there you go, $100 guitar from Walmart. So if you'd like to see any of the other things, because I'll buy random stuff anyways. I got other stuff coming. Let me know. Let me know what you think about a $100 guitar. Again, the action's not bad, especially if you're playing open chords. You're way up here. The nut is not too high, so it's not that hard. Bar chords. Where was I? That was on me. gonna have to practice on that just to work out my fingers and my hands. But I like it. I'm not disappointed at all with it. So, all right, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Again, if you leave your comments if you want to see what else I'm gonna do, crazy, silly. Maybe next time I'll plug it in and see what that's all about. I just don't really have a whole lot of time right now. Thanks again. Bye.